Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner from the Screen Protector. Guys, so in today's episode we got a PS4 Slim. I took it apart cause we had it in the episode 1. I bought it and it's time to fix it. Now the game console gets the white light, it's boot up, it's okay. You get a hard drive over there for it and a gamepad. But it does give a weird noise, and so I said to myself, I need to show you this. Now, can you hear it? That's not a normal noise. Okay, let's take out the disc. Let's wait on the white light. Once the white light will show up, you can switch it off. It's a blue, still blue, 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 blue. Okay, no white light. So I will take it apart. That means I will take the power supply and I will take the screws out. Oh, there is a white light. Yes, so when it's a white light, if you don't know, even if you don't have display like here, but I'll show you the display. Oh, it's no display. Okay, now it's, you see, so press the power button for 1 second until the system beeps to turn off the PS4. So that's why I wanted to show it, because not everybody knows, yes? So now up to 2 seconds, yes, it's taking for the beep. So I'll take it apart. And this way we will save up on time. I'm curious because this metal, when you touch it, it's sort of okay, you know, like. So is it this metal or is it the mechanism inside in the Blu-ray? I don't know, but it's maybe gently, slightly, but I wouldn't say. I had just that PS4, I don't know if you can see the red one. And the rollers were, one roller was out, yes, so I've corrected those rollers and it's okay. But here I would say it's only the problem that something is touching. Let's pause, let's see, be right back. So guys, this type of noise was actually caused by that because I could see clearly that the metal here, yes, this metal which was at the top was bent, you could easily see that. So that could be the cause, because if you understand the mechanism, it's here, yes? So that's what it is. We can still open the mechanism because it's just 1, 2 screws, you know, but it won't matter because I can say that here was the culprit. I can do it just for fun because the video has only like 3.5 minutes. Which I will post soon, and I will, of course, I will find a proper screwdriver. I will post soon, and I will put it back together, and then we can verify it if I was right or wrong. But there are only 2 screws, if you know, so it's fine. Okay, yeah, so you know it's nothing here bent. It's okay. Now these are working properly, so they wouldn't for sure do any harm, no harm. This is okay, yes, and this work freely. There's no issues. Rollers are fine. They are a bit shiny, but it's okay. You know, it's fine. It's I wouldn't go the extra mile and do something. It's no point, guys. I'm putting everything back together, and we will meet just after we will. If possible, please do like or subscribe. That's really helping me this channel to grow. For those who are wondering, I took out the fan. I'm cleaning up. I will brush off because there is a dust noticeable. So why not do it, you know, when we are here, yes? So why save 1 minute where you can help this new owner of this game console to have less dust inside, yes? Okay, now with much less dust, we can put it back together, and I'm just curious, you know, if that was all it has to be done with this game console, If so, before the Christmas, maybe it will have a happy new customer, I mean owner. Okay guys, so I've put it back together. I don't know if I've done worse or better. The power is coming on. Now the moment of truth. Good, so that's it. That's everything in this video. So when you hear this sound in the future, if you've got a, you know, like a weird noise from the Blu-ray, you know what to do. Yes, you need to open it. Make sure that this metal part is fine, and then once it's unpressed, then you're okay. But I'm more than happy that you know, this is working, because I've got another Xbox for sale, and that's the way to go, guys. I bought it faulty with only this noise. That's fine. We've got a white light. Ooh. Yeah, white light. Don't see oh, you see white light. I'll get this disc out. Will it eject? Will eject. Very good. Okay, so that's it. That's us. I'll wait for the beep. You get a beep, it will switch off. Before it will switch off, I can finish the video. Guys, sorry that it's so short, but even those small advices, if you don't know them, are worth, so that's why I'm recording them. I didn't have this problem resolved on this YouTube channel, so it is a sort of value for sure. And guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. If you did like the video, please give us some likes, and see you in the next video if possible. Let's fix them all. Take care, bye bye.